Imagine mo, nakaipon ka ng 500,000 pero after 5 years, parang wala lang. Hindi dahil bobo ka, pero dahil mali yung game na nilalaro mo. Welcome to Money Quest PH, kung saan ang pera mo pwedeng maging weapon or maging dead weight. Today, tuturuan kita. Paano ko i-invest 50k, 500k hanggang 50 million, step by step. Walang BS. Most people think investing is stock picks, crypto hype, or tips ng tropa. Pero real talk, nalulugi ka dahil wala kang system. Hindi strategy ang problema mo. Consistency. Kung meron kang 50k, congrats. Mas ahead ka na kaysa sa majority. Move number 1. Emergency Shield, 25k. Ilagay mo sa high-yield savings. Hindi yan investment. Protection yan. Walang shield. Natamansyas, one hit ka lang. Game over. Move number 2. First investment. Yung remaining 25k, index fund, UITF, mutual fund, or target date fund. Move number 3. Auto mode. Set P2K, P5K monthly. Automatic. Hindi ka yayaman sa one-time move. Yayaman ka sa repeatable system. Stop hunting for next big stock. Yung tropa mong nagre-recommend, hindi nga niya maayos buhay niya. And now we're talking. 500k is where you stop surviving and start attacking. Move number 1. Free money. Company may match, take it. Pag tinanggihan mo to, para mong sinabi, ayoko ng libreng pera. Move number 2. Max invest accounts. Retirement account, index funds, long-term portfolio, fill it up. Move number 3. Rules system. Create rules like 70% invest, 20% lifestyle, 10% fun. Rich people follow systems. At this level, hindi ka na nag-iisip ng ano bibilhin, iniisip mo na, paano ko papalakihin to automatically? Boring, Quirger rich. Now this is where people get it wrong. Akala mo rich people, may secret investments or special access. Reality? Same lang ginagawa nila. 80-90% core portfolio. Index funds, long-term assets. Mas malaki lang numbers. Move number 2. Fun money. 5% pang risky stuff, pero expect mo, pwede mawala lahat. Move number 3. Tax plus strategy. Never pay percentage sa advisor. Silent killer yan. At this level, hindi na tungkol sa'yo. Tanong na, sino tutulungan ko? Money becomes power to change lives. Here's the truth. 50k leads to habit. 500k builds the system. 50M creates impact. Kung gusto mong umabot sa next level, kailangan mo lang system, consistency, discipline. Hindi ka late, hindi ka kulang. Subscribe sa Money Quest PH para sa next mission.